Hi everybody, Sarah Louise here. I know I've already done a Facebook Live today, but I just wanted to do another very quick Facebook Live. And the reason why I'm doing this one is because I've gone through my Facebook messages today, and it seems like the more I've been doing my Facebook Lives again on a regular basis, the more my inbox is just literally filled with people that are struggling, and they're asking if I mentor, if I do any kind of like online courses, if I do any coaching. Now, I don't do that as like a standalone business, but I do mentor and coach anybody that like joins my business. It's just part of me just helping my team. But because so many people keep reaching out and saying that they find my page keeps them motivated, they're finding like the things that I post, it's inspiring, it's giving them hope, it's giving them value. So I thought, well, these Facebook Lives that I do anyway are obviously very much value. It's all to do with online business because that's what my passion is. But I thought a way of me helping more people that aren't going to be part of my business and not going to be joining like my team, for example, they might be happy where they are, but they might be struggling. So I thought another way of me kind of like trying to help people is by me doing a different type of Facebook Live where I'm able to give you like some little tasks, almost like homework for you to put into your business. So for those of you that are like reaching out to me and saying that you're struggling, by you trying these things for a week as a minimum, to commit to a week, I believe that they will actually help you. As long as you've got any kind of online business, whether it's affiliate marketing, direct sales, MLM, any kind of home-based business, everything that I teach can be used across any kind of online business whatsoever. So the task that I want you to do for the next 7 days is I want you to imagine that when you're working on your business, I want you to imagine that you're being videoed. And at the end of each day, whether you spent 30 minutes on your business, an hour, 3 hours, whatever length of time you spent on your business in a day, I want you to imagine that you've been videoed and that's going to be shown to your audience. Then I want you to ask yourself, would your work ethic and what you're doing, are you leading by example, and would you be proud if that video went out and people watched what you were doing in your business? And if you're not, thinking, well, actually, no, I was a bit slack and I didn't really do enough, then you need to reassess what you're doing and thinking, that's probably the reason why you're not getting results in your business, because you're not actually doing enough. But sometimes you just need to hear it from another angle. So I want you to imagine now, when you're working every single day, that you're being videoed. And then what I want you to do is write down on a piece of paper the tasks that you've done and that you've completed, so that you're almost, imagine if you had to hand in that work to your teacher to check that you've done your work. Because I think the only way that you're going to be disciplined is to almost be micromanaging yourself. So imagine that you have to report into somebody, even though you don't because you're your own boss. I want you to write down what tasks you've done on a daily basis, as though you had to hand that into somebody. And would they look at that and think, yes, you've been really productive today? Or would they look at that and think, what the hell have you been doing? That's not running a business. You have to look at what you're doing on a daily basis, because success is found in your daily routine. So if you're wanting to recruit people into your business and wanting it to be duplicatable so that then your team members have success, you need to be leading by example. So you need to be confident that what you're doing daily is you being very productive to get the work done in the least amount of time, so that you're able to have that time freedom. Nobody wants to leave their 9-to-5 job to run an online business working from home or wherever if it's going to take them 8-10 hours in a day. You need to work a long amount of time when you first start, I get that, but a lot of it is self-development, a lot of it is learning. It's not actually working on the business, but it's working on yourself. There's a big difference. Your self-development makes you grow, but working on the business makes the business grow. It's two different things. But the more you work on yourself, the more confident you become, the better your skill sets become, then it impacts your business on a positive. But if you're not working on your self-development daily, it's going to hinder your business. And if you're just working on your business all the time and you're not on self-development, it's going to also cause you to not have that growth that you have that potential of getting to. So I just want you to think to yourself when you're doing it daily, imagine you're being videoed, and at the end of the day, think, if I had to watch that video back, would I cringe and go like, oh my God, you lazy ass, that's why I'm not getting results? Or would you think, wow, I'm so proud of what I've done today, that yes, I'd love that to be shown to somebody, because of course I'd want to join my team, because look how productive I've been, look what results I'm getting. And everybody has off days, I totally get that. But I'm here to try and motivate the people that maybe don't have consistency every day. People message me all the time and say, I love your hustle, I admire your hustle, I love that you're consistent every day. But it's part of my daily routine, it's because I love what I do. But you've got to make it your daily routine as well. You've got to wake up on a morning with a purpose of wanting to help people change their life. Because if you help people change their life, those people change yours. But if you're not willing to put yourself out there, to talk to people about your business, to market yourself, to get out there, get out your comfort zone, you're never going to talk to those people to change their life, to impact other people. So therefore, you're never giving them your opportunity to change yours. And I think the people that aren't getting sales and are able to recruit and are not getting results in their business, you absolutely can get the results in your business, but ask yourself, are you actually having conversations with people daily, whether it's on the phone, face-to-face, in Messenger? If you're not talking to people, they're not just going to magically appear and just buy your products or join your business. It's relationship building. Any network marketing company, it's a people business. People buy into people. People buy into me. They don't necessarily ask what the product is. They trust to join my business because they know if I'm part of something, it's part of being worth, it's worth joining. So they want to be part of something I'm part of because they know that if I'm passionate about something, they can see that passion in my Facebook profile. So therefore they want to be part of that passion as well, that drive. They know that I'm motivated daily. They know that if they join me, I'm going to help them succeed. I can't motivate them, but my work ethic and what I do daily will inspire them to want to do the same. You can't motivate your team. People need to wake up on a morning and be motivated to get out of bed and get shit done at the end of the day. It's not your job to micromanage your team and motivate them to do work. They should want to be motivated themselves. But if you lead by example, then you should be inspiring other people to want to be more and do more. Then that's then when that momentum starts building in your business. And once that momentum's building and you've got that energy attracts more people into your business from all over, because energies are contagious. So the happier you appear on your Facebook, of you loving what you're doing, you're loving life, people want to have that as well. If they're miserable in their job, they're not happy with the lifestyle, they're going to look at you and think, I want to have that. So are you portraying that on your profile? If you love what you do, are you letting people know that you love what you do? Show it in your profile, and you will have a big, big difference in who you're starting to attract, because people are going to be watching you and not necessarily commenting, so you don't know that they're there. You'll never know how many eyeballs are on your profile, because there's a lot of people that just watch and never comment. But they may need to see you for weeks, they may need to see you for months, they may follow you for a year before they take action. But they need to keep seeing you leading with a positive front. So if you do this on a daily basis, if you're struggling now in your business, if you're doing awesome in your business, a lot of my videos aren't relevant for you. My videos are really for people that either are new, that are just starting out, that don't have experience, that need that helping hand and that guidance, or people that are just really struggling, that maybe don't have a mentor or coach at the moment, that don't have like an upline or somebody that they can get advice from. They're the kind of people that then will get help from these videos. So when you do your videos, like I talked about earlier in the last Facebook Live, you be that middle person, you be that solution to what someone's looking for. If you can help somebody know how to be successful in a business and what steps they need to take, they'll be forever grateful to you because you've helped impact and change their life. That's then when they start recommending you to other people. They'll talk about you to their friends and family because they're so grateful for what you've done. Yet all you've done really is just help them and show them the way. But you're impacting people's lives and you may never ever meet them face to face. So it just goes to show how powerful a Facebook Live video can be to people all over the world. So never think about yourself as, well, I'm not popular, not many people know me, I live in a small town, you know, I'm not attractive, I'm this, I'm that, people aren't going to listen to me. It's a negative mindset. You have to tell yourself it's irrelevant what you look like, it's irrelevant what age you are, it's irrelevant how much money's in your bank, where you live. If you can help people, if you've got a voice, use it. If you can help one person in a day or help one person in a Facebook Live that you've done, you've impacted somebody in a positive way. So then be proud to think that that's what you've done. If you then do that daily, it starts to compound because your confidence grows, your videos get better, your content gets better, you're helping more people. That's when then the momentum's building in your business. You're not having to go out and try and find people. Every day then they're just coming to you. Every single day you'll get more and more people coming to you because they're attracted to what you're saying because you're just helping people. And the more comments people can see of how grateful people have been to you for the help that you've given, then again, that's attracting more people to want to join your business. Because if people see lots of positive comments on your posts and on your videos of people being grateful for what you're doing for the marketplace, it makes more people want to reach out to you because they're thinking, well, you know, look how much she's helping people for free. If I joined her business, how much would she help me when I'm on her team? So think about it for the same for you. And then think to yourself, if you're not getting yourself out there and you're not pushing yourself past that comfort zone, you're holding yourself back in your business. So if you're watching this today and you're not getting results in your business, you have to push yourself past that comfort zone. You're going to feel really uncomfortable while you're in this section here while you're pushing yourself. But if you trust the system and believe that you can be successful and push past that, the other side of your comfort zone is amazing. If I'd have stayed at the other side of being anxious and stressed and suffering from bouts of depression and having social anxiety, if I'd have just allowed myself to continue my life like that, you would never ever have seen me doing these videos. I had to push myself past those sweaty palms and like dry throat and feeling uncomfortable and shaking like this. I had to get past all of that on Facebook, and people could have just taken the piss out of me, but they didn't, because people respect you and think, at least she's giving it a go, at least she's trying. So don't feel like people are going to take the mickey out of you and ridicule you. They're actually going to look up to you and think, God, you know, he had the balls to do it, she had the balls to do it, I respect them. Then they're going to look at you and want to follow your progression and your journey and your story. When they see you change from week in, week out, month in, month out, they then start to think, wow, I can do it. Then you're relatable. So keep sharing your story every single day. Get committed to providing your journey on a day-to-day basis. Think, what can you put on your Facebook today that is like a journal of your life, that is linking it back to your business, where you're not trying to pitch anything or sell anything, but you're wanting to let people into your entrepreneurial journey and your story, and for people to see what is it that you're up to, so that then when you post your results, They can see how you got your results because you're sharing your whole entire story of how you got there. So I hope there's been some helpful tips for those of you that are watching. I do appreciate it. And as always, if you think this video would help anybody else, then by all means, please share it. Thanks very much for your time, guys. Have a great evening. Bye.